Picture this. You're on a luxurious cruise, the sun is shining, and you're headed to the grand dining room for the first formal night. You've spent hours choosing the perfect outfit, an elegant evening gown or a sharp tuxedo. You step in, feeling confident, only to realize everyone else is dressed in smart casual. You're now the odd one out, feeling uncomfortable and out of place. But here's the twist. What if I told you that this dress-to-impress outfit is actually ruining your cruise experience? Stick around, because I'm about to reveal the surprising fashion mistake that even seasoned cruisers are making in 2025, and how you can avoid it. But here's the kicker, stay tuned, because we'll be unveiling one outfit choice that'll completely surprise you. It's a cruise fashion game changer you won't want to miss. The cruise ship dress code. When it comes to cruising, one of the first things to think about is the dress code. Most cruise ships have clear guidelines to help guests dress appropriately for different occasions while still offering flexibility. Generally, you'll find that daytime attire is casual. Think comfortable shorts, sundresses, and t-shirts. However, once the sun sets, the expectations shift, especially for dinner and evening activities. Cruise lines have evolved over the years, becoming more relaxed about dress codes, but they still maintain certain expectations in specific areas. For example, many cruise lines now offer smart casual for evening dining. This means you don't have to wear a tuxedo or evening gown, but a collared shirt with nice trousers or a casual dress will fit the bill. For theme nights, you'll want to embrace a little creativity. Whether it's a white night or a tropical luau, cruise ships love a good theme, and they encourage guests to dress the part. That said, there are still areas that require more formal wear. For example, upscale specialty restaurants often have a dress-to-impress rule, so it's important to bring along a pair of dress shoes and a nice outfit, just in case. But here's the thing, cruise lines are getting more relaxed. No need to overpack with unnecessary formal wear. Most ships now embrace a more laid-back approach, encouraging guests to feel comfortable yet stylish. So, what's your go-to cruise outfit? Do you prefer casual chic, or are you someone who enjoys getting dressed up for those formal nights? Let me know in the comments. Outfit 1. Too much luggage, the overpacked wardrobe. One of the most common mistakes travelers make when packing for a cruise is overpacking. Bringing clothes that don't fit the occasion or packing way too many options can leave you struggling with heavy luggage and limited cabin space. Picture this. 5 pairs of shoes, 3 formal outfits, and several extra jackets. Now that's a lot of unnecessary weight. Cruise cabins are notoriously small, with limited closet space and just a few drawers. You'll quickly realize that overloading your luggage can make your cabin feel even more cramped, and hauling it all through the ship isn't exactly fun. Plus, cruise ships often have strict weight restrictions on luggage, meaning you'll have to be strategic with what you pack. Pro tip: instead of packing everything under the sun, focus on versatile pieces that work for multiple occasions. Lightweight dresses, a pair of comfortable sandals, and neutral-toned accessories can easily mix and match to create different looks. Stick to a color palette that complements each other so that everything coordinates seamlessly. By packing smarter, you'll save space, avoid unnecessary weight, and ensure you have everything you need without the stress of overpacking. Outfit 2. Ill-fitting clothes, fashion no-nos. One of the easiest ways to ruin your cruise experience is by wearing clothes that don't fit properly. Whether it's squeezing into jeans for formal nights or wearing baggy, oversized t-shirts to dinner, ill-fitting clothes can make you feel uncomfortable and out of place. Cruise ships are all about relaxation, but that doesn't mean you can't look stylish. It's important to strike a balance between comfort and style. You want to feel good in your clothes, especially when you're enjoying activities, dining, or mingling with fellow passengers. When your clothes are too tight, they restrict movement, and when they're too loose, they can look sloppy. Pro tip: stick to stretchy, breathable fabrics like cotton or modal. These fabrics offer comfort and allow you to move freely without sacrificing style. For example, a well-fitted dress or a pair of tailored pants made from breathable fabric will keep you cool, relaxed, and put together throughout the day. By choosing clothes that move with you and fit your body well, you'll look effortlessly chic and feel great doing it. You're watching this video because you want to make your cruise experience easier and more enjoyable, right? Well, if you don't subscribe now, you'll be missing out on all the future tips and tricks that could save you from those dreaded cruise fashion mistakes. And if you're not going to subscribe, then head to the comments and tell us why. Outfit 3. Heavy fabrics in warm weather, avoiding the heat. Wearing heavy fabrics like denim, wool, or leather on a tropical cruise can be a major mistake. These fabrics, though stylish in cooler climates, trap heat and make long days on the deck unbearably uncomfortable. Imagine trying to relax by the pool or enjoy a sunny day excursion while sweating in thick, non-breathable fabrics. It can ruin your experience. Cruise ships are all about enjoying the sun and sea, but if your outfit doesn't allow you to stay cool, you'll miss out on the fun. The warm weather demands clothing that keeps you comfortable and stylish. Opt for light, airy fabrics like linen or rayon. These materials breathe well in the sun, allowing air to circulate and keeping you cool even on the hottest days. Linen is perfect for its lightweight feel, while rayon offers a smooth texture that drapes beautifully without sticking to your skin. You can look chic and stay cool without sacrificing style. So, leave the heavy fabrics at home and embrace fabrics that allow you to fully enjoy your cruise in comfort. Outfit 4. Beachwear beyond the beach, when swimwear goes too far. One of the most common fashion mistakes on a cruise is wearing swimwear, flip-flops, or beachwear outside of designated pool areas or beach excursions. While it's tempting to stay in your swimsuit all day, cruise etiquette typically reserves swimwear for the pool or private deck areas only. Wearing swimsuits in dining rooms, indoor lounges, or public spaces can feel out of place and disrespectful to the ship's dress code. Cruise ships generally expect guests to dress appropriately for each area, and swimwear in dining settings or lounges can disrupt the laid-back, yet respectful atmosphere of these spaces. To transition from the pool to lunch or a casual outing, pack cover-ups or stylish sundresses. These can easily slip over your swimsuit, keeping you comfortable while still adhering to cruise dress codes. A simple sarong or a light cardigan can also be a quick fix. This way, you'll feel chic and put together without breaking the rules, ensuring that you stay cool and stylish wherever you go on board. Outfit 5. Overly formal for casual day activities, getting the balance right. One of the most common cruise fashion mistakes is dressing too formally for daytime activities like lunch, excursions, or casual onboard events. Many people overcompensate by bringing dressy outfits for every occasion, thinking they need to look extra polished all day. While it's nice to look put together, excessively formal clothing can feel out of place during relaxed daytime activities. Cruise life is about balance. While you want to be stylish, it's important to remember that most daytime events are casual or semi-casual. Wearing a full suit or formal dress to lunch or a day excursion isn't necessary and can be uncomfortable in warm climates. Stick to a simple yet polished look. A nice pair of slacks or a well-fitted polo is both comfortable and appropriate for most daytime activities on board. These options give you a neat appearance without feeling overdressed. Pair them with stylish yet comfortable shoes, and you'll be ready for anything. Whether it's a shore excursion, a day at the buffet, or a casual afternoon on deck. With this approach, you'll stay relaxed while still looking sharp. Outfit 6. Shoes that are hard to walk in style versus comfort. When it comes to packing for a cruise, one of the biggest fashion pitfalls is choosing shoes that are hard to walk in. While high heels, uncomfortable sandals, or dress shoes may look stylish, they're often not cruise-friendly. Cruising involves a lot of walking, whether it's exploring the ship, attending events, or going on shore excursions. So the last thing you want is to be stuck in shoes that give you blisters or discomfort. Cruise ships are large, and you'll find yourself walking long distances between activities, dining areas, and entertainment venues. Wearing shoes that hurt can easily ruin your experience and keep you from enjoying your time on board. Opt for stylish sneakers, slip-on sandals, or wedges that are easy to wear but still look fashionable. These types of shoes are not only comfortable for walking but also versatile enough to pair with various outfits. Choose options with padded soles or cushioned insoles to ensure maximum comfort throughout your day. With the right footwear, you can look chic and stay comfortable, making the most of your cruise adventure without any shoe-related setbacks. The hidden outfit that could ruin your cruise. Here's the plot twist you didn't see coming. The ultimate dress-to-impress outfit that should be avoided on a cruise. The overly ornate evening gown or tuxedo for casual dining. Sounds shocking, right? But stay with me, because this is a mistake many cruisegoers make without even realizing it. In 2025, cruise lines are moving away from extremely formal dinners and are embracing a more relaxed, comfortable atmosphere. While formal nights are still a thing, the emphasis has shifted towards smart casual attire rather than extravagant evening gowns or tuxedos. In fact, wearing something too over the top can actually create discomfort, not just for you but for other passengers as well. Picture this: you're wearing a full tuxedo or a floor-length gown to a casual dinner. The moment you step into the dining room, all eyes are on you. And while you might have intended to look stylish, you're now the center of attention in a way that feels awkward. It's not just about style, it's about cruise etiquette. Overly formal attire can give off an unintended air of exclusion, while others in smart casual clothing feel more at ease. Pro tip for formal nights: opt for sleek, simple dresses or a well-fitted button-down shirt with chinos. These options allow you to maintain an elegant look without going overboard. It's all about balancing style with comfort, ensuring you fit right in with the relaxed yet refined vibe of the cruise. How to pack like a pro. Packing for a cruise can be tricky, but with the right strategies, you can avoid overpacking and still have everything you need. Let's dive into some smart packing tips that will make your cruise experience stress-free. First, focus on packing versatile clothing. Choose items that can be mixed and matched, so you don't have to bring unnecessary outfits. Wrinkle-free clothing is a must. Fabrics like polyester blends, microfiber, and jersey stretch are easy to pack and don't need ironing. You'll also want to bring versatile jackets, something light enough for cool evenings but stylish enough for dinners. A lightweight scarf can also be a great addition, offering both warmth and style when the temperatures drop. Don't forget to pack a day bag for excursions. Cruise ports are full of adventure, and you'll want a compact bag to carry essentials like your sunscreen, wallet, camera, and any small souvenirs you pick up along the way. When you're not on an excursion, your cabin can feel a little cramped, so it's essential to be mindful of your space. For layering, remember that the weather can change unexpectedly. Having a light sweater or hoodie can come in handy for chilly evenings or air-conditioned indoor spaces, especially if you're visiting destinations with varied climates. One of the best ways to maximize your cabin space is by using packing cubes. These handy organizers help compress your clothing and make it easy to find what you need without digging through your suitcase. Rolling clothes instead of folding them is another game changer. It saves space, reduces wrinkles, and makes your clothes more accessible. With these tips, packing for your cruise will be easier, and you'll have everything you need to enjoy your trip without the stress. I'd love to hear from you. What's the worst packing mistake you've ever made on a cruise? Or the funniest outfit choice you've seen someone wear on board? Drop your stories in the comments below. Let's laugh together and learn from each other's experiences. And if you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more cruise hacks and fashion tips. I've got plenty more content coming your way to make your cruise experience smoother, more stylish, and stress-free. To wrap it up, the key outfits to avoid on your cruise in 2025 are overpacked wardrobes, ill-fitting clothes, heavy fabrics in warm weather, beachwear outside the pool, overly formal attire for casual events, and uncomfortable shoes. By keeping these fashion faux pas in mind, you'll ensure a smoother, more comfortable, and stylish cruise experience. Remember, a cruise is a time to relax, unwind, and enjoy yourself. Don't let your outfits stand in the way of that. Pack wisely, and you'll have an unforgettable trip. If you want more tips on cruise planning, packing hacks, and must-see cruise secrets, make sure to check out my other videos. I've got everything you need to make your cruise the best it can be.